Good morning, friends. This is Danielle Poncillo, all the way from Dallas, Texas. How is everyone doing this morning? I hope everyone is having an amazing morning. I'm just going to wait for a couple of people to hop on. And also, if you're tuning in, let me know where you're tuning in from, guys. If you're watching this later on in the day, how's everyone's morning going? I can't really see who's tuning in right now. I see some people are coming in, but I can't see who's here. Just let me know where you're tuning in from. So, guys, I wanted to hop on to do this quick live because, as you know, or you may not know because you may be new to my page, it's Webinar Wednesday. And I wanted to invite you all out to be my guest tonight. Oh, now I see everybody. Hi. Where y'all tuning in from? So yeah, guys, I wanted to invite you all out tonight to be my guest on this amazing webinar that's going on tonight. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. And I wanted to invite you all out so that you can see how I've been earning consistently. I know you all have been seeing my posts, and I've been getting a lot of messages wondering how I've been earning the money I've been earning. So tonight is the chance for you to see, hi guys, for you to see how I've been earning and how a lot of newbies who don't know anything about affiliate marketing, they're earning within their first few weeks. So you're going to hear all about this amazing program. You're going to get to see and hear how everyone is having success with this program. Again, it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Time, guys. So you would want to get on this webinar. Last week we had about 200 people attending the webinar, and I'm sure it's going to be packed again tonight. We're going to be at 200 plus again tonight. So I advise you, if you are going to register for the webinar, to get on the webinar at least 5 minutes before 7 so that you can get a spot, guys. This program has been amazing for myself and for a lot of people who have joined us within the past 2 months, guys. Hey Randy, hey Keefe, Jerome, how's everyone? I'm glad that y'all decided to tune in this morning. Again, let me know where you are tuning in from. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this live. I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you all on the webinar tonight. Also, I'm going to leave the link to register in the comments so that you can just click that link and register. And if you have any questions, you can just shoot me a message, and then I'll get back to you once I get off this live, guys. Hi guys. So I'm going to go ahead in this live. I hope everyone, again, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all on the webinar tonight. Bye.